Babe? Dave,
Yes, Sandy.
come here. I need you to look at this wedding dress. It's to die for. Look.
Sandy,
Huh?
why in here so cool? You're using the AC. What time I tell you that you must not use the AC when it is hot? Wait till it's cool. You know how much money that going to cost, you know?
Dave.
What?
Can you look at this, please? This wedding dress here. Can you imagine me in this? Oh my God.
How much it costs?
You don't even look at it yet, but you're talking about the price.
I'm looking at it. How much it going to cost, Sandy?
$45,000. Plus handling and shipping and all of that. The total is about $50,000.
Plus AC. It's all right. Take it off of the credit card.
I already did.
Okay.
So that's it? You're not going to put up a protest?
Well, it's your day. Whatever makes you happy.
Aww. Oh my God, Goody come out and all these things. Oh my God.
I never knew that Beyonce was so pretty. Lord. Message from the bank. What? Sandy! Sandy,
Yes,
how much you said the dress cost again?
$50,000.
Then why are $150,000 gone from off of the credit card?
What?
Save your pilot me. Sandy, you know since a scam we get scam. Is which site you buy that dress from? Online shopping these days is very popular, but so is cybercrime. Some of these sites are set up to rip you off. Do your research, read the reviews, be extremely sure before sharing your financial details. You can never be too careful. Use your head. Don't be scammed.